Get up in it, boy. I see no tracks in or out of here. Oh, he's got a cable down to it too. 15 feet in the air. I can't believe it. I don't think he's looked video, so when you fall and break your neck, nobody will believe me that I killed you. Oh, it's good for you.
What?
Just get in it. Don't be a pussy now.
I'm a pussy.
Get up.
Huh. This is nice.
Get up on it.
It's slippery.
Get a picture of you in it. You've gone that far, which is unbelievable already. You fall. I'm just kidding. I'm not catching you. December 26, 2023. Josh.